Hi, I'm Daniela Mellen. As an artist, I'm always looking for new and better ways to store and organize my art supplies. Watercolor paints are one supply that I have in abundance because I do a lot of teaching and also because I love to try different colors and brands of pigments. Today, I wanted to share with you my method for storing my paper palette watercolors. These watercolors are small, folded palettes that don't take up much room. They're called Colorsheets, put out by the Viviva brand, and they are super intense pigments, and I really like them. Now, I had not heard of Colorsheets until a woman from the company reached out to me to see if I'd try them out, the original and the spring sets of watercolors, and if I liked them, would I create a workshop using the pigments. I accepted the offer because I was really happy that I was able to decide if I liked the product. And I was thrilled to be asked to test out a product, particularly an art supply. Well, I loved the products. The pigments are intense, and I just love bright, saturated colors. I played with the pigments for a couple of months, painting in my journal, and I was really impressed. I was so impressed that I purchased 2 additional sets of the original and spring palettes, and then purchased the metallics as well. Now, I found that I not only like the pigments because they are easy to carry when I want to paint outdoors, but I enjoy painting with them at my desk. And I found a few items that I like to use with them, and I want to share those with you. So this is how I store my color sheets. I have an old cigar box here. I'm just repurposing it. It's a wooden box. I keep my 3 palettes in here, my spring, original, and the metallics. And you can see how small they are compared to the box. I keep a paper towel in here at all times. A little jug here, it's just clean, and I'll fill this with water. If I'm going out, I'll just grab this case, put a little water in the jug here. I have my palette because I like to use an additional palette. The color sheets come with a paper palette, but I prefer the feel of a porcelain one. I have 3 water pens that I use on a regular basis, and any one of these will work. This one, smaller one, is just a travel size, but these are really exceptional pens in my mind. I keep a couple of clips, and that can either hold my palette open or I can clip my painting to a surface so that it can dry. And then the last thing I keep inside my box is just swatches from all 3 of the color sheets. The original, metallics, and how they look on black or white paper, and the spring, my very favorite set. And this way, at a glance, if I want to see a particular color or how brown or how red it is, I have it right here. Everything fits nicely in the box. I can just pack it right up. When I'm not using it, it stores nicely, and when I want to take it to go, it's all packed and ready to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and maybe it gave you some ideas for storing and organizing your own art supplies. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching.